Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to solve today's LeetCode problem, that is find all numbers disappeared in an array, and it's marked as a easy problem. So in this problem we are given an array and whose elements are from 1 to integer n, and we have to find the missing integer between these range that is not present in our array. So as in the first example, as you can see, its size is 8 and we are given elements from 1 to 8. But two elements are repeated, that is 2 and 3. But our 5 and 6 is missing. So we have to just return 5 and 6. And in the second example, it is 1 and 1, but its range will be 1 to 2 and all elements should be present, but 2 is missing, so here output will be 2. So let's code this question and I will explain every step after writing the code, so it will be easy to understand for you all. So let's start it. Here, let me first take the size as an integer here, nums size, okay, and one loop I will be using, that will iterate from int I equals to 0, I will be less than n, and I plus plus, okay, and I will take an integer x and I pass a value absolute of, I will explain this why I'm doing this, nums of I minus 1, okay, and if nums of x is greater than 0, then just assign nums of x to the negative, its negative value. Okay, now I will make it clear why I did this. So as you can see, I take a value integer x and I assigned it a value that is absolute nums of I minus 1. Absolute means we, if it is a negative value, then we will take a positive, its positive output. It's like a modulus operator. So here, let's I will explain this with this example what I did exactly here. I take an integer x and pass its a value that is nums of I. Here first value will be 0, nums of 0, so 4 minus 1, that is absolute of 4 minus 1, that will be 3. So x equals to 3. If nums of x greater than 0, here it is clearly in the constant that our integer in our element will be greater than 1, greater than and equal to 1. So I check first here if it is greater than, so in first chance it will be always be greater. So if it is greater, then I just take its negative value and pass it to the current value. So here as you can see, I just changed the sign from positive to negative. Why I did this? If let's say here 4 is present and I pass the value of 4 minus 1 3, and at its third position, which is 7, here you can see 7, I change its sign, that is from 7 to minus 7. If what will happen if 4 is not present in this array, then then the sign of 7 will be remain positive. So, and let's say here 3, same in this 3, that if the element at third position is here, which is 7, sorry, in first case it will be 8, but in second case it is 7. If 7, if 3 is not present, then our 7 will be remain positive. And now go on, and you can see here 3 comes twice. what will happen if again we have 3, then x will be again 2, and we will be checking that if nums of x is greater than 0. But here I already changed its sign because 3 already comes once in our array. So we will not change its sign to positive, we will take it as negative. But here 5 is not present, so there's no chance that the value of x will be 4, that's 5 minus 1, which is 4. So the value at the fourth position, what is fourth, that is 8. So 8 will be never negative, understand? If what happen if it is 6, if 6 will be there, that is x equals to 6 minus 1, 5. So which is the fifth value? 2. Let me see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 2. But here as 6 is not present, so 2 will be remain positive. So what we did is the okay, I think you understand, I make it all clear. So let's proceed further. Now I take a vector integer answer, and I will take a loop here which start from I equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. If nums of I is greater than 0, then I just ans dot push back the value which is I plus 1. Why I did this, I will be explaining here, and I will return ans. What I did here, we will change the value in this loop from negative to positive, which is present and not present on basis of that. And then I iterate a loop from I0 to n, and I will be checking if the value of the integer at ith position is negative or positive. If it is positive, then what will be the case is, if it is positive, then here as you can see, if here 8 will be remain positive. Why? We see that in our previous loop, as 5 is not present here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5 is not present here, then there will be no case of 4, that is here x equals to 5 minus 1, 4. So 8 will be remain positive. So here as 8 is positive, so I will push back the value I plus 1, that is its position, that is 4, plus 1, that is 5. So it means 5 is not present in our array. Okay, similarly 2 is still positive as 6 is not present. So I will push back position of 2, that is 5, plus 1. Here I plus 1, that is 6. So I push back here 6 in our vector. So yeah, these two will be in our vector, and I just return that vector. I hope I clear every step, and still let me just first run the code. Yeah, accepted and then submitted. Yeah, accepted. Okay, so yeah, I explain everything here. I did two things. First, convert it on the basis if the I if the integer is present in the array, then its the value at its position will be negative. I changed it to negative, but if it is not present, at it will be still positive. And I check if a number is still positive, then I push back its position plus 1. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please do a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.